Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Saturday in the daily newspaper on it's September the 5th. September the 5th, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku. Let me focus this correctly. Yes, let me focus this. Yes. One regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but there is also a regular quintuplet and also extra Sudokus in the additional. I believe 5 or 6. I do not know exactly. But this Sudoku, a Sudoku medium, this will be number 1, 4, 6, and 9. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you have an indication what kind of Sudoku this is. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, the 1 star Sudoku has 27 printed digits. The 4 star Sudoku 24. And I do not know how many printed digits this Sudoku has, so let me count. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, plus 2 is 8, 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 12 plus 4 is 16, plus 5 is 21, plus 4 is 25, plus 3 is 28. 28 printed numbers. Let me check this. If this is correct, 3, 7, plus 5 is 12, 16, 19, 20, 22, 24, 28. So it's easier than the 1 star Sudoku. Alright. Because the 1 star Sudoku has 27 printed numbers and this one 28. So it must be easier. 1 digit more. Alright, so let's get started. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 5. What a pity. How about these 4 numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. Let me see, 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see. How about the number? And the number The number. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 4, 8, 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have the 7 and the 1 in this column, so no 7 and the 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 and the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. I marked them for you so it's easier to follow. It's a pair because the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 8 and the 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers. The 4, the 5, and the 8. We see here the 8 and the 5. So no 8 and the 5 in this box. The 8 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Let me mark them for you. 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5. I made a mistake here. Unbelievable. This should be the 9. This should be the 9 because we have a 2 here. This should be the 9. I hope this is correct. What a stupid mistake. I hope this is a 9. This is correct. Alright, so we have a 9 here. So those 2 numbers are the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Alright. 1, 5, 4, 9. Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, 1 digit left in this row for the number 1. Alright. 6. We have the 5. Need a 5 here. 5 could be everywhere. Alright. The 6 then. 6. Yeah. 3. Yes, in this big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. That means here 3. And there a 3, because we have a 3 here, 3 there. And 3 goes in, 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. In the first row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see a 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. Alright, and now I cannot finish it. No. 4, 8. 8 should be here. 4, 8 and the 2 are missing. 4, 8 and the 2 are missing. Yeah. 4, 8 and the 2 are missing. We have an 8 and a 4 here. So this box cannot be an 8 and a 4. The 8 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That means we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 8 goes there. 1 box left for the 2. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 2. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. We have a 4 here, so these 2 boxes should be a 4. 4, 8 and a 5. 4, 8 and a 5. 8 and a 5, yes. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the middle row. The only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 is missing. In this big square, we see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7, 3 and 6 are left. Let me mark them. 3 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be the 5. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. One number left in this first column for the number 4. One number left in this third column for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this is gonna be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. This should be the 6. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time. Bye bye. Maybe the quintuplet soon. Yes, very soon. Bye bye for now.